If you want to remove a payment method from your ProtonMail account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your billing information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the ProtonMail website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the payment method you wish to remove. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen, then selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to the Billing section. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing or Subscription section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and subscription details. Step 4. Manage payment methods. Within the Billing section, find the option to manage your payment methods. You should see a list of your current payment methods linked to your account. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Select the payment method you wish to remove and look for an option to delete or remove it. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the removal process. After completing these steps, your payment method should be successfully removed from your ProtonMail account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ProtonMail support for assistance.